Hi guys, short video here about this cute peak automatic fuel transfer pump. That's something which everybody should have. If you have a car, if you have a lawnmower or any kind of other motorized equipment, there can always be a situation where you need to pump out fuel. If you have the wrong fuel or if you need to do some repair on your lawnmower, this is definitely a must. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. So here's the content of the box. You get a couple of these adapters here for the fuel tank, and it comes also with a 12 volt power cable which you can attach, let's say, to your car battery, any kind of 12 volt battery. Very convenient, especially if you need to do a longer transfer. Of course, there's also a battery option here, but for larger work this is highly recommended. And here's the device itself. It has two buttons. It has a start button and a stop button, but it has also an automatic stop built in, so you don't have to be worried about overfilling. So really nice spill protection. And that's the intake here, which is actually the pump itself. So we have the motor and the impeller here inside, which is pumping then the gas up here through this device and then through the nozzle into the tank where it should be. So when you're using the 12 volts with the clamps, on the other side you have this adapter which goes here into the back. But again, you can also use it with normal standard AA batteries. You can even use rechargeable batteries, but of course don't use zinc carbon batteries. They are not strong enough. So of course highly recommended are alkaline batteries. So let's do a short test here. We can turn it on and you can hear that it's pumping from here. It's not pumping from this device, it's pumping actually from this device. And when we are done, we can easily stop it here, or again it will automatically stop when there is fuel up to here. So I've been trying outside for a little bit, and I mean the construction looks actually good. There is this adapter which you can use to fully secure the canister. It has also turned on really fast, and when I pushed the button it started really fast to pump, but always immediately stopped, and I never could figure out what the problem was. I tried even to elevate the canister to be a little bit higher than the gas tank of the lawnmower, but also same effect. It would just not keep pumping. It always started and I could hear the impeller spinning, but it never kept pumping. There was a little bit of gas transferred, but definitely not everything. There was more in the tank. I have no clue why. I've double checked the batteries. They look really good. They are even called like super strong alkaline, so there shouldn't be a problem, but maybe it's still a problem when you're just using normal batteries. Maybe it would be stronger with 12 volt, but I don't have anything to try the 12 volt, so maybe it would work then, but I cannot guarantee, unfortunately. So everything looks good, but somehow it stopped. I have really no clue. If you have same thing, then just let us know down in the feedback area, and if you need more information about this item, then also check down in the description. I'll put the link down, but definitely at this point no full recommendation, but I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.